Have you ever injured your ankle and while the pain sort of went away, it's never been the same since? Well, my name's Georgia. I'm the physiotherapist here at Riverside, and today we're going to be talking about ankle and ankle rehab. More often than not, people will sprain an ankle or it'll be injured. Maybe some general range of motion stuff, would have wiggled the ankle, got it back to sort of weight bearing, walking on it. Maybe even a little bit of running, but at one point it always still twinges and is sore. And ankle rehab is a type of rehab that's quite commonly neglected, just because it does tend to get better quite quickly. So the pain is gone, but the functionality and stability of that ankle maybe isn't up to where it needs to be. So today I'm going to show a couple of what I call progressions, so some more difficult exercises to help with ankle rehab, and you can give them a try at home and see how they feel. One thing to keep in mind is that everybody's ankle is different, the mode of injury, how bad it was, what you need to do to get it fixed. Some people maybe need surgery to get it fixed, or maybe it just healed on its own. Maybe it got sprained multiple times in a row and now you feel like you're always spraining your ankle. There's so many different scenarios and reasons why you'd get rehab. So the best bet always is to come in, get it seen to, and get a tailored treatment for your ankle and for your goals to get you where you want to be. But these 3 exercises should be a nice wee starting point. So the first exercise that I want to have a look at is getting that range of motion back in the ankle. And there's a couple different ways to do it: rolling the ankles, moving them as usual. But a very good test that we do, and this one is particularly to do with sort of your Achilles, your tendons, your ligaments, is where you kneel down onto one knee, and what you're aiming for is sort of a wall or a point that you're aiming to get your front knee to. And when you stretch down that knee, you're bending forward as far as you can. As you can see, this angle between my foot, the ground, and my shin changes with that. You might only be able to get halfway before you can really feel strain and difficulty in the ankle. But that's where it's easier in this kneeling position, because the rest of your body can take the strain off of the ankle and those joints and pull it back out of that position. So pushing forward, getting that knee as far forward as you can, keeping that heel on the ground, don't let it come up, and then coming back up and in. And that can help with ankle range of motion and can give you a really nice baseline to see where you are, so you can progress it as you go and see how you've progressed. Now we've run out of time in this video to go over the strengthening and the balance work that needs to happen in ankles to get you up to sort of fighting fit, back into sport, etc. However, if you're finding difficulty with that range of motion exercise, that could be an indicator that you need a little bit of extra rehab for that ankle. So if you want any help with that, feel free to book in with myself or any of our qualified team here, and we'd be more than happy to help you achieve your goals.